So, get this. What if I told you the average agent lost 5 deals last year? And for just one simple reason. They weren't fast enough. Period. Well, today, we're going to fix that. We are breaking down how to find the perfect AI-powered CRM so you can absolutely guarantee you win the speed game in 2026. And look, this quote right here, it's not just some catchy phrase. It is the fundamental law of modern real estate. The market just doesn't wait for anyone. You know, it's not really about who has the best listings anymore. It's about who connects first. Speed is literally the only metric that truly matters.
And that right there brings us to the central challenge for every single agent out there, the speed game. The second a lead comes in from Zillow or your website, a clock starts ticking, loudly. Your competition is getting that same lead, and let's be honest, the first person to make meaningful contact almost always wins. It is a flat-out race, and second place gets absolutely nothing.
So, here's the bottom line. Automation is no longer a nice-to-have. It's your secret weapon. Using AI to handle that initial, immediate follow-up, that isn't about convenience. It's about fundamentally changing the odds, stacking them in your favor. It's how you dominate the speed game.
Okay, so if that's the problem, what's the solution? Well, it all comes down to having the right tools in your belt. So let's walk through the essential features that turn just any old CRM into an absolute powerhouse for a modern real estate agent. Here are the 5 non-negotiables. First, instant response, because every minute you wait, a competitor is making that call. Second, you need smart routing to get the perfect lead to the right agent on your team, like instantly. Third, total pipeline visibility, so you never have to ask, hey, what's the status of that deal again? Fourth, a mobile-first design, because let's face it, your office is your car. And finally, number 5, full IDX and MLS integration. This just means your listings and your leads are always talking to each other, automatically, so you're always working with the most current info.
All right, so with those 5 essentials in our back pocket, let's go shopping. We're going to put 4 of the top contenders for 2026 under the microscope and see which ones really truly deliver on these promises.
This chart gives us a fantastic snapshot of the market right now. You've got HighLevel, which is perfect for teams. Then there's Centripe for agents who are just drowning in leads. Freshsales is our budget-friendly AI option. And of course, HubSpot as the free entry point. Just notice the range in price and what they specialize in. There's pretty much a fit for everyone here.
First up is HighLevel. I want you to think of this as the heavy-duty automation engine. It is built from the ground up to support the really complex workflows of a real estate team or even an entire brokerage.
You can see right away, HighLevel is all about teamwork. It's designed to capture a lead, kick off a whole automated follow-up sequence, and get a showing booked without anyone on the team even lifting a finger. That multi-pipeline feature? It's a total game changer for teams that are juggling residential, commercial, and rentals all at once. But hey, what if your problem isn't coordinating a team, but you're literally drowning in the sea of leads? Well, that's where our next contender, Centripe, comes in. Think of it as your personal smart sorter. If you're getting dozens of leads a week, you know the pain, right? Most of them are just browsing. Centripe's AI uses this dynamic scoring to bubble the hottest, most serious buyers right to the top of your list. It tells you exactly who to call right now, which, wow, is a massive time saver. Okay, so what if you want all that AI goodness, but you're just not ready for a big monthly bill? That is where Freshsales shines. It's designed to be a super accessible entry point into the world of AI-powered sales. I mean, for just $9 a month, Freshsales gives you access to its Freddy AI, which offers up really valuable insights on your deals. You combine that with a great mobile app and a super clean interface, and it becomes a fantastic choice for solo agents or anyone just starting to scale up. And finally, we have the one many of you have probably heard of, the big name in the room, HubSpot. Its main draw is simple, but, really powerful. You can start for free. It's the go-to tool for getting your contacts and deals out of messy spreadsheets and into an actual organized system.
But here's the catch, because there's always a catch, right? Free comes with some trade-offs. The free version is excellent for basic organization, for sure, but it lacks all those real estate-specific integrations and automations we talked about. The powerful AI features are there, but they're locked behind some pretty significant paid upgrades.
Okay, so we've seen the top players. But how you actually choose? It can feel a little overwhelming. Let's make it easy and walk through a very simple decision-making guide to match your specific needs to the right platform.
Let's just start with the first, most important question. Think about your day-to-day workflow. Are you collaborating with other agents, sharing leads, and constantly tracking team performance?
If you're nodding your head yes to that, then your search should probably start end-to-end with HighLevel. It is purpose-built for that kind of collaborative, high-volume environment where shared visibility and automation are absolutely key.
But okay, maybe you're a solo agent. Your problem isn't collaboration. It's just pure volume. Is your inbox totally overflowing with leads, leaving you completely unsure of where to focus your energy each morning? If that sounds familiar, then Centripe is literally designed for you. It's built to cut through all that noise. Its AI scoring is made to solve that exact problem, making sure you spend your precious time on prospects who are actually ready to do a deal.
Now for our final scenario, and honestly, it's probably the most common one out there. Let's say you're an individual agent, you want the power of AI, you know you need it, but you've got to keep your overhead low. This is a critical decision point, and you've got two excellent paths forward.
And this slide breaks down your choice perfectly. With Freshsales, you invest a very small amount, just $9, to get AI insights from day one. With HubSpot, you start for free, which is awesome for getting organized, but you have to be prepared to pay later to unlock those same AI capabilities. It's the classic pay a little now for immediate power versus pay later for future growth. And look, there's no wrong answer here. It just depends on whether your priority is instant AI help or zero upfront cost.
So, as we wrap things up here, it's just so clear that choosing a CRM is no longer some simple administrative decision. It's a strategic one. The right platform becomes your co-pilot, your automation engine. It becomes your next competitive edge. Which leaves us with one final, and I think critical question to think about. I want you to take a hard look at your current system, or, your lack of one, and ask yourself honestly, in this incredibly fast-paced game of real estate, are your tools truly fast enough to help you win?